What is PhantomJS? In this course, we'll be focusing on CasperJS, and we'll be using Casper API to write all of our scripts. However, since Casper is built on top of PhantomJS, it's important to have an understanding of what PhantomJS is. PhantomJS is described on their website as a full web stack with no browser required. And it is also described as a headless browser. And this means that anything that you can do in a standard browser like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox, you can also do with PhantomJS. So what can you do with PhantomJS? PhantomJS allows us to perform many interesting actions on a web page, like performing page manipulation, simulating user interaction, and dynamically capturing and saving website data, as well as capturing parts of a web page and then rendering those areas as an image. The most common use case for PhantomJS is to provide an interface for testing the UI of web applications. However, we can also use Phantom and Casper as a means for scraping any kind of website data that we want in a dynamic manner. Some of the ways that we're able to manipulate pages include being able to submit forms, click buttons, take actions on an input field, perform logins, wait for Ajax to load, and queue multiple URLs to perform actions on these pages. PhantomJS acts as a standalone program that you can download and can be used to run JavaScript files inside of your terminal. The scripts that you write are based on the API available on the PhantomJS website. You can run an instance of PhantomJS either by launching the executable found in your bin folder or from any terminal window once it's been installed globally via npm. And even though you're able to install a global instance of Phantom via npm, it is not a node module, but instead an entire framework with its own custom API.